Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and you are watching Dream High Vlog. So this video is day 2 of our Darjeeling trip. After traveling for almost 2 hours, we could see the mountains covered with fog. The view here is really nice. So finally we are at Darjeeling now. As you can see, the buildings over there, they look so small, just like Legos scattered all over the mountains. Believe it or not, guys, these roads are no less than any roller coasters. We are having a good time. Wow. We are now stuck in traffic, but something is unusual. The car is on the rooftop and the rooms are underneath. Welcome to Darjeeling town. So after reaching the hotel, we are checking out the rooms. এটা হচ্ছে ট্রিপল সাইজ বেড, যেটা দুটো সিঙ্গেল বেডকে মিলিয়ে একটা ট্রিপল সাইজ বেড এখানে এদের তিনজনের জন্য হয়ে যাবে। শ্যাম্পু, হাই গোদুলি, এদের রুমে টিভিও দেয়া আছে, মিরর। তাও আমাদের রুমটা বেস্ট। এখানে একটা বসার জায়গা আছে, আর এখানে আমি আছি, দুখানা চেয়ার আছে। হ্যাঁ, এখানে শ্রেয়া আছে। আমাদের সিঙ্গেল বেড আমাদের ট্রিপল বেড।
After checking out the rooms, we had our lunch. Then we went out for some sightseeing. This is a masjid near our hotel. We did some hotel surveys and market surveys near this masjid along this road. After completing our survey, we went to the Mall Road. This is the road towards the Mall Market. This is the Mall Market. This market mainly has clothes, but the price is really cheap and affordable. This is the center of Mall. You can see a big stage there. At night, many performances are held here. The view from this place is really nice, but it's really foggy here. The people here are waiting for the sunset. The dogs here are very friendly. People are petting them and they are not biting us. Usually I am very afraid of dogs, but this time I decided I'm gonna try to touch it. See, it's rolling over. How cute is that? I touched a dog for the very first time. I was very afraid. Please don't bite me. So you can see the sunset. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more such amazing vlogs. Thank you.